courage courage شجاعة. ليس لدي الشجاعة لفعل ذلك مرة أخرى. I don't have the courage to do that again. I don't have the courage to do that again.
Don't be talkative. Don't be talkative.
يحفر dig قبر grave. They decided to dig a grave here. أما المقبرة graveyard أو cemetery. I'm still waiting in the graveyard.
strict strict يعني صارم، ما عنده تراخي، صارم. لا تكن صارما مع موظفيك. Don't be strict with your employees. Don't be strict with your employees.
I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. We have to be quiet during the funeral. We have to be quiet during the funeral. Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. He insulted his friend unintentionally. He insulted his friend unintentionally. His constant insults aroused my anger. His constant insults aroused my anger. He's not aware of that. He is not aware of that. I wasn't aware of that. I wasn't aware of that. It's not necessary to bring everything with you. It's not necessary to bring everything with you. Necessity. Necessity is the mother of invention. Don't exaggerate. Don't exaggerate. He was exaggerating. He was exaggerating. I hate exaggeration. I hate exaggeration. Scary. مخيف. Scary. I have some scary news. I have some scary news. Habit. عادة. Pray. هنا أتت بمعنى يدعو. اجعلها عادة بأن تدعو للآخرين. Make it a habit to pray for others. Make it a habit to pray for others. Selfish. من الأنا يعني كل شيء يحب لنفسه. Stingy. Stingy. بخيل. ما ينفقه. Don't be selfish or stingy. Don't be selfish or stingy. Stuff. أغراض أو أشياء. Shelf. الرف. رف الكتب أو رف الأغراض أو أي شيء. Put your stuff on the shelf. Put your stuff on the shelf. يشجع. Encourage. تشجيع. Encouragement. I encourage you to study French. I encourage you to study French. They need encouragement. They need encouragement. Don't interfere in my personal affairs. Don't interfere in my personal affairs. يظلم أو يضطهد أو يقمع. Oppress. يظلم. Oppress. هم دائما يظلمون الآخرين. They always oppress others. They always oppress others. أما الاسم منها ظالم. Oppressor. والجمع منها ظالمين. Oppressors. هم ليسوا ظالمين. They're not oppressors. They're not oppressors. أما الاسم منها ظلم. Oppression. Oppression. تجنب الظلم. Avoid oppression. Avoid oppression. دين. Religion. Religion. دين. أقول العلاقة بين الدين والعلم. The relationship between religion and science. The relationship between religion and science. أما الصفة منها متدين. Religious. أقول هو رجل متدين. He is a religious man. He is a religious man. I can't bear this humid weather. Humid. رطب. والاسم منها humidity. رطوبة. Humidity. رطوبة. لا أستطيع تحمل هذا الطقس الرطب. I can't bear this humid weather. I can't bear this humid weather. اليوم الرطوبة عالية جدا. Today the humidity is very high. Today the humidity is very high. Insist. يصر. أقول insist that أو insist on، يصر على، كلها تجي. أنا أصر على أنه بريء أو أنا أصر بأنه بريء. I insist that he is innocent. I insist that he is innocent. لماذا تصر على البقاء هنا لوحدك؟ Why do you insist on staying here alone? Why do you insist on staying here alone? أما في الماضي أصر، مثل ما هو معروف لديكم، أضيف ed insisted. أصر الطفل على البقاء على اللعب بالخارج. The child insisted on playing outside. The child insisted on playing outside. I feel bored. I feel bored. The lesson was boring. The lesson was boring. They always go to school on foot. They always go to school on foot. Don't show off. Don't show off. يتخذ قرار. Make a decision. اتخذ قرارك قبل أن تغادر. Make a decision before you leave. أما قرارات متسرعة hasty decisions. Don't make hasty decisions. I changed my mind. I changed my mind. Don't fabricate my words. Don't fabricate my words. The lack of clean water is a big calamity. Calamity شبيهة بكلمة disaster، كارثة. The lack of clean water is a big calamity. Move out of my way. Move out of my way. Time flies. Time flies. She is so stubborn. She is so stubborn. This is a big crime. This is a big crime. I was trying to escape from the criminal. I was trying to escape from the criminal. He is trying to embarrass me. He is trying to embarrass me. I didn't expect this embarrassment. I didn't expect this embarrassment. I tried to hide my face with a mask. I tried to hide my face with a mask. He is a troublemaker. He is a troublemaker. It was a big tragedy. It was a big tragedy.
I want to check up on you. I want to check up on you. هنا كلمة spend مع الوقت أتت بمعنى يقضي. لا تقضي وقتك مع الناس السلبيين. Don't spend your time with negative people. أما مع المال أتت بمعنى يصرف. لا تصرف جميع مالك دفعة واحدة. Don't spend all your money at once.
Give me a specific topic. Give me a specific topic. Be more specific. Be more specific. He is still shouting out loud. He is still shouting out loud. Cheating is prohibited. Cheating is prohibited. Prohibited. ونقدر نستخدم كلمة forbidden. Cheating is prohibited. Where do you intend to go? Where do you intend to go? What's your intention? What's your intention?
It's none of your business. It's none of your business.
Don't lose your temper. Don't lose your temper. I always lose my temper when I deal with him. I always lose my temper when I deal with him.
As I expected, he came to work late again. As I expected, he came to work late again.
Don't betray the people who trust you. Don't betray the people who trust you. The heating system wasn't working. The heating system wasn't working. I have to admit that. Admit. Admit. I have to admit that. That was a tough decision. He went through a tough life.
During that moment, I decided to be strict with them. During that moment, I decided to be strict with them.
I tried my best to convince him, but I couldn't. I tried my best to convince him, but I couldn't. I don't want to stray from the main point. I don't want to stray from the main point. Do you allow me to swim here? No one is allowed to go there. I'm not allowed to sit here. There is no need to hurry. There is no need to hurry. Hurry up. Hurry up. I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry.
بدون لا أقعد ألف ودور. دعني أدخل في صلب الموضوع. Let me get right to the point. Let me get right to the point. Let me get straight to the point. Let me get straight to the point.
He became a businessman since he lost his previous job. He became a businessman since he lost his previous job.
Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I will never let you down. I will never let you down. Sorry for being late. Sorry to interrupt. I apologize to you. I think so. I hope so. It's up to you.
Don't ruin his reputation. Don't ruin his reputation. At least he promised you to study hard. At least he promised you to study hard. The cat was trying to bite my hand. Avoid backbiting others. They always backbite their teacher. Are you mocking me? Are you mocking me?
I don't have any allergies. I don't have any allergies. Are you allergic to anything? Are you allergic to anything? Don't let the past hold you back. Don't let the past hold you back. We have to be patient when we face any difficulty. We have to be patient when we face any difficulty. The patient is waiting in the doctor's room. The patient is waiting in the doctor's room.
You're not allowed to stay here in this restricted area. We should not impose restrictions on foreign trade.
Necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity is the mother of invention.
Ashamed. Ashamed. It's not right to be ashamed of your failure. It's not right to be ashamed of your failure. Argue. Argue. Try not to argue with ignorant people. Try not to argue with ignorant people. Regret. Regret. I regret wasting my time with negative people. I regret wasting my time with negative people.
It's not permissible for you to stay. It's not permissible for you to stay. It's not permissible for you to stay. يستعيد أو يسترد regain سوف يستعيدون سمعتهم. They will regain their reputation. They will regain their reputation. ليس لدي فكرة. I have no idea. نهائي أو نهائية final. I have no idea about the final results. I have no idea about the final results. Enough كافي. Enough. Amount مقدار أو كمية. Amount هذه كمية كافية من الطعام. This is an enough amount of food. This is an enough amount of food.
I will invite you to my wedding. I will invite you to my wedding. If you invite me, I will accept your invitation. If you invite me, I will accept your invitation. I will invite you to my wedding. I will invite you to my wedding. If you invite me, I will accept your invitation. If you invite me, I will accept your invitation. مدهش أو مذهل. Amazing, amazing. معجزة. Miracle, miracle. هذه معجزة مدهشة. This is an amazing miracle. This is an amazing miracle.
Damage, damage. I'm sure that there is no damage at all. I'm sure that there is no damage at all. Suddenly, suddenly. I suddenly met one of my old friends in the supermarket. I suddenly met one of my old friends in the supermarket.
The cat is still chasing the rat. The cat is still chasing the rat.
هل أنت في مزاج جيد? Are you in a good mood? Are you in a good mood? Are you in a good mood? وعكسها bad mood, مزاج سيء. Are you in a bad mood? Are you in a bad mood?
I don't want to waste my time to convince ignorant people. I don't want to waste my time to convince ignorant people. I was ignorant of the right answer. I was ignorant of the right answer. I was ignorant of the right answer.
كيف أقول راح أبذل قصارى جهدي، مثل ما نقول راح أشد حيلي. I will try my best. كرروا بعدي. I will try my best. I will try my best.
It has been a long time. أو أختصرها it's been a long time.
What's the matter? What's the matter? Family matters more than friends. Family matters more than friends. This is a complicated matter. This is a complicated matter.
He is a moody person. He is a moody person. He was in a bad mood. He was in a bad mood.